Good morning today, or good afternoon, my goodness. Today we're looking at conditions that are going to continue to be improving as the day goes along. And it is the afternoon that we've got some of our best weather in a while so far. There's still a breeze, and we've been watching that on our Skycam in Grand Forks. You can see the flags moving in it. It is changing direction, though, as we are watching some of that drier and colder air move in out of the northwest. But it's a weak amount. It's not going to be a big cool down or anything like that coming up for this afternoon, and shouldn't have much for impact on us other than a little bit of a breeze. Let's take a look at our wide view here. Here we go at 33 degrees in Fargo, 32 in Grand Forks. Devil's Lake is at 28, and in Jamestown we're at 35 degrees. So our warmest numbers are in the west and in the south. We're at 40 currently in Sisseton, so a warm afternoon for you. And over to the east, not quite at freezing just yet, but still a warm start to the afternoon into the upper 20s. Our winds, again, we're not getting rid of them. They've just changed direction in places. And in Grand Forks, that's one of the places where it's a little stronger, a gust to 29 miles per hour, this time out of the northwest. And over in Jamestown, a 32-mile-per-hour gust right now. So still a little breezy out there in the wake of this front. Our visibility is looking pretty good. Rosa, one of the places a little lower in that area. In the east, we've had still some lingering areas of flaky activity as the clouds and eventually those snow showers move on out, and those are starting to clear. And you can see where skies are clear. You can make out Lake Sakakawea, the Missouri River in the western part of the state, where the surrounding areas are snow covered. It helps to really show where those rivers are. And then we'll see more of that ground showing up here on our visible satellite map as we go through the afternoon hours as the skies continue to clear. So here's a look at a wider view. I've zoomed out because we've got a storm system that's going to hit the plains heading into tonight and tomorrow. It's starting up in the Rockies and will make its way to the north and east and affect our neighbors down into South Dakota. We'll show you that in a moment. Here in this region, in the Red River Valley, we can expect to see those snow showers to be moving on, the clouds clearing out with it, and by the time we get into the 3 o'clock hour this afternoon, you can see temperatures upper 20s and low to mid 30s, kind of right where we are right now, and just about everywhere enjoying some sunshine at that point. Still a bit brisk, and then into tonight that wind does start to ease up a little bit, but we'll still have some wind speeds into the teens, which is good for keeping that air moving and keeping us from cooling down too much too quickly. Into the late night hours, we'll be in the teens to some low 20s, and then watch what happens overnight as that system develops to our south. The clouds associated with it do make their way into the valley, at least by tomorrow morning, and that should help us out to keep our temperatures from sliding too much more, and we'll be starting around 8 a.m. into the teens. A little hint of some blue at the very bottom of your screen. That's where that snow will most likely be. So I'm going to show you this in our hour-by-hour planner. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow. You can see we've got snow spreading across southern South Dakota. It may reach far enough into some of our counties down into places like Roberts County and the Sisseton area we'll have to watch for. But the bulk of this is Sioux Falls, Minneapolis, back over into Wisconsin, where they're expecting half foot of snow or so, maybe more in some of those areas. So traveling in that direction going to be a little tougher here heading into your Friday and into early Saturday. Saturday it does clear out and we see things clear. It's going to be a beautiful day. We'll have some sunshine, slightly cooler than today into the 20s, but we're warming right back up by the end of the weekend and into next week. First alert weather day for Wednesday. It looks good. You see that 40 there and it sounds great, but a storm system is threatening the region for Wednesday and into Thursday. We'll likely have another first alert weather day for Thursday too, just to give you that first alert that we might be seeing something.
So what you're saying is that your good news has an expiration date.
It always does in the valley,
right?
That
is Wednesday.
That's right. So enjoy this milder, quieter weather while you can.
I will try to do that. Thanks so much.